Hi, I'm Ronald with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing some great deals on gaming units. If you're looking for a desktop, this is a great Asus machine. It comes with a GTX 1060 6GB video card. It's got an i5 7th generation 3 GHz processor, 8 gigs of RAM and a terabyte drive. $899. If you actually want to upgrade, you can put a 250 gig SSD in there for an extra $99. Get that extra speed, and we can also bump up the memory, put up to 64 gigs of RAM. If you're looking at a laptop, we've got a fantastic unit from MSI, the i7 7700 processor. It's got a solid state drive and a regular drive with the 8 gigs of RAM, a GTX 1050 video card for $899. Again, you can bump up the RAM on that. So these are two great good units under $1,000, even if you upgrade either the RAM or the solid state drive. So if you're looking for a gaming machine, you're looking for a custom build machine, come on into Impress Computers and we'll get you fixed up. 281-647-9977.